जांका लागून भाजप पक्षाक धोको आसा तांची पक्षाक गरज ना. सुदीन ढवळीकराक जर सरकाराक खरोच तेंको दिवपाचो आसत तर तांणी मगो पक्ष भाजपांत विलीन करचो म्हूण पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Babush, with regards to Sudin Dawekar, you are firm with that?
No, firm with that means, did I tell you anything about it? I never spoke anything about it.
80% तानावडेन म्हटल्यार तर घेवपाक नाका म्हणून ताका.
So, and let the
तुम्ही
others...
आसा तितून 80%?
See, I don't know. I have not spoken anything to anyone.
So actually, Babush गरज आहे actually घेवपाची.
म्हाका दिसना कोणाक घेवपाची गरज आहा. I think we are strong enough.
ना पण ताका घेवपाक जाय. घेवपाक काल तानावडे म्हणटा ती सेंट्रल लिडरशीप आमकडे कांय डिस्कशन जावंक ना आनी चडश्या जाणांचो विरोध आसा.
See, हांव कितें म्हणटा तुका? You should not get in someone who is basically going to damage your party.
He will damage the party.
Damage the party means his vote bank and the BJP vote bank is equally the same. No? So why simply you are encouraging some basically for someone else's growth? Now if he is ready to merge his party with ours, then it's fine. Then you accept him. There is no problem.
You all say merge.
I think he should merge himself. Let him be one of us. No?
Okay.
If he wants to really strengthen the state and the government, so come and merge yourself.
But तुमच्या MLA मध्ये डिफरन्सिएशन काय ना?
आमच्या MLA मध्ये डिफरन्सिएशन काय ना? We are कितें?
वाद दिसतालो आवाज
कसलो?
हो थिंगा एका मेळपाक गेलो तो दिसता.
कोणाक मेळोंक ना? कोणाक मेळोंक ना? We are all together. Be rest assured. It is under one umbrella the BJP party.
Babush, मोगो खातीर सुदिना खातीर कोण फोर्स करता BJP?
But हांव नको कोण फोर्स करता. I am not aware of that. But I am just trying to say if they want to welcome anyone who is basically independence cannot join. He can only support you. But a party which is there, I think if he is so eager to join, come and merge yourself. Show your intention very clear that I am here to strengthen the party and I am interested in the state of Goa.
If he doesn't want to merge, you all don't want him.
That party should think about it, no? So why basically destroy your this thing?